Hey everybody, thanks for joining me again tonight. I will be doing another like a blue only type of blooms. You all know I like my blue, so I haven't done an all blue one for the most part. My colors tonight, for the most part, the order is going to be Winsor Blue. This is Sapphire by TLP, followed by Taffy by TLP. I'm going to throw in some black. Not a cell activator, just regular black. And then to top it off, usually on top, I'm going to put in this Dragonfly Glaze by SheleeArt. Forget which one I use, but I'll put it in the description. And I think it's one that has like a blue purple reflection type thing. Yeah, so I'll put that in the description. But yeah, so how's everybody doing? You know, I still got power, thankfully. Right now, you all might know I live in Texas. I got 9 inches of snow. Never seen that in my life, at least not here. So that was, I don't know, I enjoyed it. I had ski gear, so we were like the only people out playing in it just because it was too cold. Probably went walking about, I don't know, a mile in it yesterday with my oldest kid, and yeah, that was fun. Other than that, I'm supposed to get a couple more inches of sleet, freezing rain, and snow tonight. So I may not have power tomorrow, but we'll see. So with this one, what's going on here is like, apparently I didn't put enough paint on it, and that one corner is just not gonna go, no matter how much I try. So sadly, I mean, I probably could have left it, and it'd have been fine. That one corner that's white for the most part, but I'm probably gonna pour over this one. So that was my fault. Not to say that it doesn't look great the way it is, but I'm just gonna start over. You know. Another thing with this, what I've been trying to do is with these, I am trying to slow down my spin and not just kind of give it a, I don't know, pretend like I'm spinning it off the spinner, I guess, trying to sling paint everywhere. Is that, you know, I'm trying to slow down my spinning. That way when the cells stretch out with the cell activator, because it's a different consistency than my other paints, it doesn't get messed up. It doesn't, I don't know, wander off somewhere else where it shouldn't go, right? So I'm doing that. On top of that, I think that would help with the stretching of them all. That way it looks nice and sharp. I mean, that's kind of weird saying with painting, because, you know, sometimes not with this, especially with this technique or style in terms of, you know, acrylic pouring and everything, you don't think of something sharp and neat in a way. So I think that helps a little bit. Just, you know, taking it back, slowing down a little bit before doing everything. Another note, you know, my paints, if you're new, they're mixed 2 parts of Sherwin Ultra Deep Base and 1 part Josanya Gloss Varnish. And my cell activators, which I'm adding 2 cell activators, black and white on this one, they're mixed 3 or 4 parts Australian Floetrol to 1 part. With black, it's Oxide Black, and with white, it's Titanium White by Amsterdam. Can't use every brand in colors in terms of making cell activators. It just doesn't work. I mean, you couldn't grab Artist Loft's Titanium White and make a cell activator, at least not with how I'm doing it. I've tried it with the US version and Australian Floetrol version and didn't work, or Creative Inspirations. So if you're not getting that, or the cells that you want, that might be part of your problem, is the products that you're using. But yeah, I'm trying to spin out this one corner, and yeah, like that one corner that had a little bit of black in it. I was trying to make it a little bit less of a black corner. But nevertheless, I'm going to put on some music, and I'll get you back for a closer look at the end, towards the end. All right. Alright, so I'm back. This is the last one that I'll be doing. And you know what? It's probably my most favorite one out of the 3 other ones, or out of all of them. So this is, I guess, the 4th one. But yeah, always happens to me. I like the last one that I do. More than likely, it's just because I've been dealing with these colors, and you know, you get better as you go, right? So here we go. I'll get you down for a closer look. And if you can tell, like towards the bottom right hand side and leading out throughout the whole thing, you can see the little shimmers of purple, a blue here and there. That's that glaze that I was talking about by SheleeArt. And then here's the other 3 that I did. So yeah, it has that sparkly all throughout it. So I figured that would give it a nice, I don't know, sparkle, you know, after everything's put on it, you know, something different. Again, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I would appreciate it.